The Winix 5500-2 has been featured on many recommendation lists on Air Purifier First. However, many highly competitive and powerful air purifiers have entered the market in recent years. In today's video, we'll see how the Winix compares to the Levoit Core 600S. But before we move on, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The Core 600S is best suited for spaces up to 635 square feet, while the Winix 5500-2 is designed for rooms up to 360 square feet. Both purifiers clean the air 4.8 times per hour in their recommended room sizes. Both are equipped with an air quality sensor, air quality indicator, auto mode, and many other advanced features. However, only the Levoit Core 600S works with a smart app and offers many useful smart features, making it a more modern air purifier compared to the Winix. When discussing filtration, the first thing I want to compare is the shape of the filters. The Winix uses rectangular filters placed at the front, while the Levoit uses cylindrical filters located at the bottom. Both use three-stage filtration technology with the addition of plasma wave, characterized only for the Winix. What I like about the Winix are its washable pre-filter and pellet-based washable carbon filter, along with the fact that it uses a true HEPA filter. On the other hand, the Levoit Core 600S, although equipped with slightly less advanced filtration media, has delivered excellent results in our performance tests. Both are CARB certified. However, the Winix produces a small amount of ozone, but only when plasma wave is active. Now let's dive into the performance test to see how effective these two air purifiers truly are. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. Before comparing the performance of these two devices, I'd like to highlight that the Levoit has almost 2 times larger coverage. Accordingly, we tested these devices in different room sizes. First, we tested the Winix 5500-2 in a 320 square foot room, where it improved the air quality by about 96% while running for 60 minutes at maximum speed. The Levoit Core 600S was tested in a 560 square foot room, where it also achieved a 96% improvement in air quality. From this, we can conclude that both devices performed exceptionally within their recommended room sizes. However, it's important to note that the Levoit is a much larger and more powerful air purifier that would likely outperform the Winix in a 320 square foot room, while the Winix would struggle to match the Levoit's performance in a 560 square foot room. In the following seconds, you'll see how fast these two air purifiers remove all the smoke from the glass box. What I really like about both of these devices is that they offer 5 different fan speeds. Both also feature a sleep mode, during which they are very quiet. The Levoit Core 600S produces a noise level of 43.9 dBA in sleep mode, while the Winix 5500-2 is slightly quieter at 40.6 dBA. At maximum speed, the Levoit reaches 68.5 dBA, while the Winix hits 66.4 dBA. Interestingly, the Levoit is louder not only in sleep mode and at maximum speed, but also at all other fan speeds, which is somewhat expected given its significantly higher CADR. The Winix performed better in this test by being quieter overall. Deciding on the affordability of an air purifier can be challenging, as there are many factors to consider. The initial product price often plays a significant role. The Winix 5500-2 is slightly more affordable than the Levoit Core 600S, but the Levoit is a more powerful device. Although the Winix is less powerful, it uses 70 watts, which is significantly higher than the Levoit's 49 watts. If you run both air purifiers continuously at maximum speed for an entire month, the Levoit will result in slightly lower electricity costs, $4.22 versus $5.08 for the Winix. In addition to power usage, replacement filters also add to the cost. Both devices require filter changes approximately once per year, but the Winix's filters are slightly more expensive, making it overall less affordable to maintain compared to the Levoit. Although the Winix 5500-2 is one of the best air purifiers we've tested, I believe it's starting to feel a bit outdated, and there are now better options available on the market. One such option is the Levoit Core 600S, which I consider a superior choice over the Winix 5500-2 due to its higher CADR, many smart features, faster results in smoke tests, and slightly lower annual maintenance costs. If you have any questions about these two air purifiers, please leave a comment below the video. You can find all the links in the video description. If you enjoyed this comparison, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.